The Long Dark is a first-person survival video game developed and published by Hinterland Studio. The player assumes the role of a crash-landed bush pilot who must survive the frigid Canadian wilderness after a geomagnetic regional storm disaster. The game received seed financing from the Canada Media Fund, and further funding was secured through a successful Kickstarter campaign in October 2013. An alpha version was released through Steam Early Access in September 2014. The alpha version was later launched on the Xbox One as one of the first two launch titles associated with Microsoft's Game Preview program in June 2015. Early reviews of the alpha release were generally positive, and the game went on to sell around 750,000 copies by April 2016. It was officially released on all aforementioned platforms on August 1, 2017, as well as for PlayStation 4. In 2017, it was announced that a film adaptation of The Long Dark was in the works. On September 17, 2020, it was announced that the game would be coming to Nintendo Switch later that same day. The Long Dark is a survival game set in an open-world environment and played from a first-person perspective. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.